Here are some of the basic features of your new ADEC equipment. You may have received the 400 package, which you see here, or the 300 package. Many of the chair features are similar. Let's go ahead and start with simply how do we turn the chair and delivery system on. First, there's two places you want to be aware of to turn the power on. First, down here on the base plate, there's a circle button that you want to just push to turn on. Normally, you can just leave that button on. You don't need to turn it off every single night. Primarily, the on-off feature will be controlled from your delivery system. Be aware, occasionally when patients enter or exit the chair, or perhaps the cleaning crew comes in at night, they could bump that button and accidentally turn the chair off. If you come in and your unit doesn't have any power, please start by just making sure the power is turned on at the base of the chair. From there, on the side of the delivery system here, there's another power switch. You would just turn that power switch on and you should have power. You should begin to hear the water bottle filling. And also the light at the top of the touchpad should turn blue. Let's take a look first. When a patient needs to enter, exit the chair, you'll want to push the armrest all the way forward out of the way. Once again, that's the same on the 400 chair package and the 300 chair packages. They simply rotate forward and back. At the bottom of the chair, and on both the 400 chair and the 300 chair, there is a safety switch underneath the chair. What this will do when the chair is lowering, if it detects something is in its way, it will stop and immediately move up. All you need to do is release the touchpad and then go ahead, move the item away, and then you can re-engage and lower the chair. Next, let's take a look at the headrest. On this 411 chair, you have the lever style headrest. Oftentimes, a headrest is positioned all the way down against the backrest. We really would like to see the headrest up and positioned slightly forward. Once the patient enters the chair, you'll want to position the bottom of the headrest right about the top of the neck to ensure optimal access to the oral cavity. This is our knob style headrest. Simply turn the knob counterclockwise to loosen and make adjustments, and then turn the knob clockwise to tighten the headrest to stay in place. This headrest should be positioned in the same way that the 400 level headrest was. Height-wise should be slightly off the chair. The headrest should be in a neutral position. And then the bottom of the headrest should be placed at the top of the patient's neck. Once again, please contact your local ADEC territory manager for more detailed information on headrest placement. Next, let's take a look at the chair's swivel function, which is the same for the 300 and 400 chairs. It's located just at the bottom of the backrest. Simply push the lever to release the brake, position the chair where you would like it, and then engage the lever once again to lock the chair into place. One situation in which you could utilize the swivel function would be if you had a patient in a wheelchair. Simply position the chair at an angle, tighten the brake, and then you can turn the headrest around and allow the patient to stay in their wheelchair should they not be comfortable transferring from their chair to our chair. This feature is also available on the 400 chair using the lever style headrest. Thank you once again for purchasing your ADEC equipment. Should you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to reach out to your local ADEC territory manager or call our ADEC customer service hotline.